Yo, we're here at Cars and Coffee, obviously, but guys, there's a Bang energy station, free energy drinks. And you know your boy loves energy drinks, so we're walking over there right now. What up, guys? Good morning. It's your boy Shanus, and I am recording at Cars and Coffee this Sunday morning. I normally don't wake up this early. I only have the mask off just so you guys can hear me. The rest of the video I'll have the mask on, so just forgive me for the audio quality. But yeah, we have a lot of interesting cars. The now new car to you guys, but revealed, the Sonata N-Line's behind me. But you know, a really cool surprise is that we had a pre-meet for KDM San Diego to meet up and everything. And so you guys have probably seen those videos before at one point, I'm assuming. Loud exhausts. And so normally there's a lot of Velosters that show up for our group meetups and whatnot. And then San Diego does have a handful of Kia Optimas that are just wildly modified and whatnot. But you know, a welcome surprise. And I'm gonna put the mask back on. So let me step back, but this time I'm like out of place. But this time it was actually nothing but Kia Stingers. And I mean, that's awesome. So I'm literally just gonna walk down to show you guys the KDM presence here. I don't know, man, it's nice to see, again, no offense to Velosters because I love Velosters, but it's nice to see not so many of them. You know, I feel like the KDM scene, so to speak, is growing. And look at all of these beautiful iterations. They're so clean and nicely done. And then, don't worry, still Veloster love. We got a couple of ends. Black and white, yin and yang. Gotta love it. And I actually love that. That's awesome. Nice Veloster turbo, really low. Could be the parking helping it out a little bit, but no, it's pretty slammed. And then, not to be left out, like I mentioned, Kia Optima, the original K5, right? And then we got Mr. Jalen over here. He's, you know, he's a dad, so he gets the excuse of not removing the wrap that was on there before. We're starting off with the row behind us, the KDM side, and look, we got a Tesla. It does have some pretty cool blue calipers and some nice wheels. A little larger, I think, right? I don't know much. We got some just random, non-organized cars. But you know what? Let's focus on this side. So, shout out to all the Subi fans out there. Shout out to Rowley, who actually just got an STI. Congratulations, bro. I'm really happy for you. I mean, being one of the only other YouTubers that really focused on being one of the only other YouTubers that focused on Velosters, it's awesome to see him upgrade. And again, the Subi squad. Hey, look, it's Tanjiro from Demon Slayer, or Kimetsu no Yaiba. We just watched that movie last night. Amazing. If you're an anime fan, go check it out. But more Subis. A BRZ, still a Subaru. It counts. Another BRZ. One cool thing about the BRZ was this particular blue Subaru option. It just looks amazing. One's on black gram lights. This other on a set of bronze wheels, but it still looks equally amazing. More Subi love till the end. Now we're gonna switch over here.
Hey, hey.
So real quick, while there's not a huge presence, we have a Ford ST Focus, and then its much stronger counterpart, the RS, which it's actually quite nice. I do love this black. Black is so hard to maintain, and I love the blue accents, of course, with the blue Brembo calipers to match. And then look at this. So this one right here is for the OGs. Shout out in the comments if you know exactly what kind of car this is. Look at this beast of an engine. For those of you guys that are younger in the audience, you're probably like, what are those wires for? What are those cables? All right, I'm gonna show you guys something so insanely cool, and it's not that C8 over there. Look at this Tesla right here. Oh my God. Oh, I love it. There's actually a rear diffuser on it too, but look at how low this thing is. Look at the splitter, red interior, and then there's another one right next to it. More yin and yang, black and white. It's just so insanely cool. Love the HRE wheels. And I'm actually going to the back. The other one's also on HREs. Because look at these spoilers. For those of you guys that obviously know how quick electric vehicles are, but never imagined that a Tesla could be considered a car for modification, or you've only seen kind of VIP iterations, this definitely takes that performance look and applies it. And I love the backup chime. So let's show some Nissan love. Of course, we stop back up. Ooh, things mean sounding. Right next to a pair of Z's. Oh, actually a G35 as well. So this is cool because this is an NSX, but I love how it's Blue Angel themed. Now, my assumption is that it's probably driven and owned by somebody who is or was a Blue Angel, but that's so sick.
And everyone was still looking at the backyard free meat spot, and he parked like behind us.
Look at the beautiful blue wrap on this. It's a Aventador, right? Sorry guys, I'm not hip on the exotic stuff, but this GT3 RS is, oh, what a car. And then so look at this. So this is an RSX. It's boosted. Look at the retrofitted Acura updated LED headlights, probably off of a TL or TSX. But look at this, massive turbo in there, and just direct exhaust coming straight from the actual hood itself. This thing's insane. And if you haven't noticed already by the video, it's right-hand drive. All right, so this next car I definitely want to focus on, only because I feel like every YouTuber that kind of makes it, their first instinct is to buy one of these, right? Like a GTR, and that makes sense. Beautiful car, nothing wrong with that. And then they usually go for like a Ferrari, a Lambo, something super exotic. But for me, if I ever make it, cross your fingers, support your boy, like, hit, subscribe. Just kidding. But for me, it would be an Aston Martin. Something is just insanely classy about these cars. Of course, it's the classic Bond mobile, but if I had the opportunity, that or the new body style Acura NSX over a GTR for me. But since the owner has nicely left the doors open, look at the massive wheels. I'm just gonna film a little of the interior. Let's be polite, not get in there. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that, but individual gauge clusters, and just, oh, this thing's beautiful. All right guys, so we have a couple of C8s over here. Kind of a rare sight to see, even though I've seen quite a handful of these in California. I guess one of the perks of living here, we see all kinds of cars very often. But look at this beautiful blue color with a matching interior. Love the yellow calipers, massive wheels, and then a drop top with the same interior but a different blue and red calipers. Oh no, my battery's dying. Gotta go switch that out. All right Alright guys, my battery's about to die, but I'm gonna end off on this. So this is the other section of all the Skylines and GTRs. Just a lot of classic, normal Skylines. What up, bro? So again, real quick, sorry, one of my friends just pulled up, but we're gonna end it off on this beautiful thing.
Well,
And just a beautiful Skyline with an updated engine. Gorgeous color. Love the wheels. But guys, that concludes this month's Cars and Coffee and Hey guys, my bad. So my battery died, so I apologize on the horrible cut, but I'm actually gonna wrap up the video here because that was pretty much the end of the line. Your boy is just gonna chill by his car, enjoy his cup of coffee and his end tumbler, which if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that already. But guys, I will see you in the next video. Please be safe out there. Thanks for all the love and support. Bye. So your boy got a delish strawberry kiss, and forgive the audio because I'm wearing a mask, still trying to be somewhat safe. This whole row right here is nothing but Civic Type R's. Woo, dude, that color is dope. That's actually so unique. I've never seen that color. I don't know if it's a paint job. I'm gonna assume it's a wrap because we're in 2021. But yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look, KDM all over here. Bunch of Stingers, which is really eye-opening because typically before it was nothing but Velosters. We have a few N's, Veloster Turbo, and Optima. So KDM SD has a lot of Optimas in it, but they're all mean. They're heavily modified. One of the guys who was actually in front of me earlier, if you saw the guy with the red Ferrari jacket, homeboy is like producing 400 horsepower, but he blew up his car. Engine blew, so